gives a person dominion is how excellent their reasoning is. Everybody has the gift of reasoning, but not everybody uses it well. And that's what Like Daniel is about. Like Daniel is to encourage us as Nigerians to use our God-given capacity, the most important ability we have, which is reasoning, and to use it well. If you improve your capacity for reasoning, you will improve your capacity for what? Dominion. Everybody wants to be successful, but then we pursue that which does not actually give us the dominion we are looking for.
We are